Good evening, everyone. Welcome to 7th day of this marathon session of Excel. Today we have continuing with us Vaibhav, CA Vaibhav Doshi. Today's topic is Excel 365. He is going to continue with that. We also have our chairman, sir, CA Lalit Bajaj. Welcome to you, sir. And would like to have a few word of wisdom from our chairman, sir, Lalit ji.
Thank you, Bipin bhai. Learned faculty for all the days, all 7 days. And my dear friend, CA Vaibhav Doshi, coordinator Bipin Mundra ji, all other coordinators in during this last 6 days who have really cooperated and ensured that the program runs flawlessly. All the participants who have really participated and supported us to make this program a successful event. At the behest of WRC, I would like to welcome. Otherwise, I would like to thank you because this is 7th day of this particular series of sessions. There were a couple of things which I would like to share with all of you at this particular point of time. We as chartered accountants are always looking for some or the other opportunity whereby we can really develop our skill sets to provide better services to our clients. And when we talk about Excel is a common thread for all our services, whereby somewhere or the other, I feel that it impacts the productivity and presentation as to what all work we are doing. We have many youngsters who have participated in this workshop, and we have many senior members also who were very eager to participate and who have participated in this program. We are really inspired by your support and participation, and I believe that this wonderful session of 7 days will have really helped all of us to understand some of the tricks and some of the functionalities of Excel, whereby we will really be enabled to provide better services to all our clients. When I talk about all other activities of WIRC, let me share with all of you that this year technology has become a compelling factor for all of us as to rather an option which was always before. Since this year we all have been compelled to accept technology and its various systems and operations in the best of its availability. This year, I believe that all the members have really gone through the couple of publications which we have already announced and which are there on WIRC website. I will just like to name them. One is work from home, and second is remote work from remote place, paperless office, and one is work from home. And let me share with all of you that during this whole year we have engaged into 20 workshops which were somewhere or the other related to technology or data management or this various computer applications and software. And I am happy to share with all of you that all the members have participated very well, and that has really supported us to plan more and more such kind of program. I believe with your able guidance and with your able suggestions, we will be able to plan or ideate many programs which will really be helpful to larger number of members. Do write to us at wirc@ici.org so that we can really engage into many happening activity as far as WIRC and its members are concerned. I will just like to touch on the tools which are available on WIRC website. We have come out with 7 tools to help our accountants to serve their NRI clients, to serve their clients those who are under tax audits, to serve the clients those who are under company audits, GST compliances, ratio analysis. I request all the members do visit those tools and take utmost benefit of the same. At the same time, if you feel so there is any other area whereby we can come out with any tool for the common benefit of all, do suggest us so that we can put a team to work on that, and that can be placed on WIRC website. There are many things I would not like to take the time which we have devoted to this particular subject to engage ourselves or update ourselves on WRC activity. For that, you can anytime visit WRC website or go through the WRC newsletter, whereby we ensure that all the information is available. Once again, I welcome all of you and really thank Vaibhav for kindly accepting our invitation and delivering lecture on this very apt subject. Thank you, Bipin bhai.
Thank you, sir.
Very good
Definitely,
evening.
this is commendable. Yes, Chairman, sir, these tools and publication, particularly focus on technology this year is definitely commendable. And thanks to you for special attention, because many senior members, when they completed CA, these were not, technology was not that updated. And it was also necessary for young as well as senior member. So that's a nice update. Thank you so much, Chairman, sir. Now, Vaibhavji, over to you for this excellent awaited session on Excel 365.
A very good evening to one and all. I would like to thank a very yeah, am I audible properly? Yeah.
You are audible now.
A very good evening, and I would like to thank you, CA Lalit Bajaj sir, a very dynamic chairman of WRC and a very proactive chairman. WRC this time has taken many activities, many webinars, many knowledge sharing, whether it is audit, tax, litigation, compliance, technology, Excel, my Office 365, you name the thing, all merger, acquisition, and everything, every knowledge sharing has been taken by WRC. I'm very much thankful to Lalit Bajaj sir, Chairman WRC, and the whole team for taking so much initiatives. I would like to thank CA Bipin sir, coordinator, for giving your precious times and precious time and starting with the today and to start with today's session. I would like to thank all of you, all attendees, to for attending the session, and you all are coming from last 6 days. As you all know that I am telling from very first day that please practice on day-to-day basis rather than practicing after all 7 days. I am getting very good feedbacks, and I am also enjoying the way you are asking the questions, and you all are making the sessions interactive. That is the thing which I am loving all for all of you, and I hope you all are practicing on day-to-day basis. Today's session, as I told, I will be starting with Excel 365 advanced function. I am sharing my screen right now. Mishra ji, screen access, please give me a screen access.
हाँ सर दे दिया.
I hope my screen and my voice and everything is properly clear and visible, and all of you must have received section number 7 practice files. Okay, so today's session, as I told you earlier, that today Excel 365, a very advanced function we are going to take today, including dynamic chart array and presentations through via charts. You all are going to enjoy today's session. Okay, so and today's session is something which is the difficulty level is on higher side. Okay, so the first session which we'll be starting today is a filter function. Filter function is only available with Excel 365. Filters function is similar to XLOOKUP, which we have learned yesterday, but one change I'm going to tell you right now. Before that, let me show you how to use the function. filter function. So Excel is first asking me array. I will select the whole array. Okay, comma, include. I want to include my state, which should be equal to Gujarat. Okay, array is the whole chart which I want. Okay, I want to include my state, which should be equal to Gujarat, and that's it. I will bracket close. Here you can see dynamically the whole row of Gujarat is available over here. Here you can see, as I repeated yesterday, the blue line, which is the border over here, it is known as spilling of data. Spilling of data is nothing but it is dynamic, which is only available in Excel 365. So as you can see, mera jo formula, it is only on I, J, K, L, M. There is no formula. However, the spilling of data has been done over here. Okay. So the next thing I am going to tell today is I can look for left to right and right to left. Both the things are available through filter. Again, I am repeating the filter function again. Array. I have to select the whole table, comma, include. I want to include my state. My state that should be equal to Rajasthan. That's it. I will press enter. Okay. Repeating again. I am repeating for the third time. Excel is asking me array, comma, include my state that should be equal to Haryana. Here you can see left to right, right to left. Everyone knows that. I will not repeat again. Okay. So now I'm going to explain you the difference between XLOOKUP and filter function. Filter, Delhi. I want to select array. Array should be the whole table over here, comma, include my state that should be equal to Delhi. Here you can see Delhi यहाँ पे दो बार repeat हुआ था. I will just highlight the thing. Okay, Delhi was repeated twice over here. So as Delhi was repeated twice in XLOOKUP, it will come only once. It will be from first to last or last to first. But in filter function, it will be coming for two times, because here we are just filtering the data. It is known as advanced filtration. Whatever information is available for Delhi, both the things will be highlighted over here. Both the things. Okay, both two rows will be available over here. Okay. One more example which I will take about filter function is that suppose I want the information from this table of those states whose IGST is greater than 3 lakh. I will just select over here. Here you can see who is greater than 5 lakh, is greater than 10 lakh. Here you can see is greater than 1 lakh. Here you can see. How is it possible? Okay. Filter function again. Filter array. I want the whole table, that is array, comma, include my IGST, which is greater than 1 lakh. Here you can see. Very powerful feature. Very here I can select 3 lakh also. Here I can select 10 lakhs also. As soon as I am changing, it is changing. My data is also changing dynamically. 2 lakh. Very powerful, very important function for you all to know. Please let me know, hit comment and let me know how you think filter function is. Excellent by Shatish, excellent by Amit Jain. More functions I am going to take by Anil. Excellent. Amazing, much better and advanced than lookup. Very good. More examples I am going to take about filter function. There are 3-4 more examples I am going to take for filter function. Shivaji Patel is asking me, Ranga Rao, very good. Shivaji Patel is asking me to take one more time this example greater than. Okay. I will just delete. Okay. Filter, select the whole table, that is array, comma, include my IGST, that is greater than 2 lakh. Here you can see. When you want to present anything, when you want to do presentations, when you want to do some analysis of data, that time I would suggest to please use filter function. But when you want to only compare one data with another, that time you can use XLOOKUP instead of filter. I will wait for a minute. Everyone can please try right now. Yogesh, very powerful function. Okay, more functions I am going to take about filter function. Filter with table. Everyone with me with 110% attention over here on my screen right now. On my screen right now. Okay. Whenever there is whenever told you that I we can change and format as table also. Okay. When we do format as table. Okay. So at the time when we give any direction, that when we want to select any table or anything, rather than selecting the whole table, you can see my cursor. I am keeping my cursor on left hand side top corner. Here you can see my arrow is on downside. I can select the whole table like, okay, comma, include what, include my state, that should be equal to Delhi. Repeating again, filter function. Instead of by selecting the whole data, you can use shortcut. Okay, you can just select the arrow over here, comma, my state that should be equal to Delhi. That's it. Here you can see. Now for filter function, if you want to use two conditions, if you want design from department and Telangana from state, both the conditions you want to use various multiple conditions, then for and you can use asterisk mark. Okay, filter. I will first select the whole array, comma, into bracket. My department should be equal to design, bracket close, comma, bracket open. My state should be equal to Telangana, bracket close, comma, 0. Asterisk mark, comma, 0. Here you can see. First we have to select the whole array. After that, my department should be equal to design, asterisk mark means and. My state should be equal to Telangana, comma, 0. That's it. Here you can see with design and Telangana wale jo options hai, both that will only come over here. Two conditions we have given over here. Excel charts I am going to take. Next thing. Okay. After this, more functions I am going to take about if I use or plus sign, then also it is coming. You can see over here. I will repeat the filter function one more time. Okay. So this is the table. And this is the table. From this table, if you want top 15 by names by employee name by salary, so I can give to top 10, top 15, top 20. Okay, repeating again. So if I want to use top 10 employees by salary, top 13, top 15, then top 12. This is also dynamic I have made. I will tell you how to use this formula. Very wonderful and very interesting formula. I will delete all the things. Okay, filter, array will be the whole table, comma, include my salary. My salary should be greater than or equal to large formula I will use, large salary, comma. So large formula I am using purposely so that top 20 will only come over here. Here you can see. Repeating again the whole formula, filter, array, I have to select the whole array, comma, include my salary should be greater than or equal to large what your salary, comma how much top 12 means I have to select that top number of salaries bracket use. Here you can see. And second formula I can use sequence. I want to use only a number, so that will be also dynamic. If I use 10, 5, 6, 7, top 6, top 8, top 9, top 10, top 20, top 1, top 4, I can use any. It is not sorted, it will come only top 5. It is not sorted, but it will come only top 4, top 5. So if you want, we can check here also. Okay, largest to smallest. Here you can see 1 lakh 1, 1 lakh 98,406, and 96,177. Here you can see total amount 396,796. 396,796. It is matching. It is not sorted, but it will be top 4 only. But it is for sure. Lowest 5 is not possible. Only large formula is there. I'm explaining the formula for one more time. Filter array will be the whole chart, comma include. I want to include my salary should be greater than or equal to large formula my salary, comma top 4. That's it. Here it is. Here it is, the magic. Now I'm going to teach you now very important function I'm going to teach you, and very complex. Okay, this feature आपको immediately नहीं आएगा. You have to see the recordings afterwards and then you have to practice at home. It is very complex. I am going to merge dynamic array functions with XLOOKUP, with filter and dynamic charts. Everything merged together. I am going to teach you right now all into one thing. Okay. All together मैं एक नई sheet बनाता हूँ. I will just copy and paste over here. Okay, and I will just copy and paste into new sheet so that I can explain you from. Okay. Suppose I want to create a chart. Okay, Nagaland, Delhi region, and this all everything is been specified over here. Suppose I want to create a chart of this. So Alt F1 is the shortcut to create chart. Repeating again, Alt F1 is the shortcut to create chart. Okay, I can also go with insert option. Also, I can go insert option. I can just press OK. Here you can see this is Alt F1. Okay. Suppose I want to create a chart region wise. Okay, if I'm presenting anything and I want to create a chart which is a region wise. Okay, so how to do it dynamically? Okay, first and foremost thing, I want to use data validation. Okay, my sales. Okay, I will use data validation. I can go to insert tab, data tab. Under data tab, I will go to data validation. I will take list, source. I will select the whole thing. Okay, east, west, north, south. Now I am taking state and sales. State and sales लेने के बाद, here you can see I will use a filter function over here. Filter. Okay, for using a filter, I will select the whole array over here, comma, include my region should be equal to central. Instead of taking the whole chart, I will take only the state. Okay, if it is central, then Uttar Pradesh. South means I'm doing it dynamically. North, west, east, whatever I'm selecting, I will be selecting over here. Okay, after that, in front of, as soon as my state changes, my sales should also appear over here. So I will use XLOOKUP. Lookup value will be Delhi. Lookup array will be my state, comma, return array will be my sales amount. I will just freeze it and I will copy and paste over here. Okay. After that, if I press east, see here, यहाँ पे मणिपुर का आ ही नहीं रहा है. What is the problem for that? Okay. If I press Uttar Pradesh, then it is not working properly, isn't it? If I press south, it is not working properly. Then what is the shortcut for that? Is there any shortcut for that? Yes, there is a shortcut for that. Okay, while using, if you want to use formula of dynamic array into another dynamic array, then we can give a formula wherein we can use hash mark. Okay, hash mark. If I'm using hash mark, then even though if I don't copy and paste XLOOKUP till the down, okay, यहाँ पे automatically dynamically it will take the data. Okay, I'm just using the hash mark. It will dynamically take the area, take the data. Okay, now if I press north, east, west, south, central, anything it is possible over here. Anything it is possible. Okay, everyone I will it is very difficult to understand on first instance. I will repeat it once, okay, but you have to try it at home, okay, by seeing my videos. It is very difficult to understand at first instance. Okay, after that I want to create a chart of state and sales. Okay, repeating again, to shortcut to create chart is Alt F1. Alt plus F1 is the shortcut to create chart. Okay, I have created a chart over here. I will remove grid lines. Hash mark will not apply for VLOOKUP. It will apply for only dynamic array functions, which is available in 365. I can change the chart design also. Okay. So now if I am changing north, then see मेरा chart properly नहीं आ रहा है. So my chart is also not dynamic right now. See, my chart is not dynamic. How to make it dynamic? I want to create all dynamic. My chart and my everything should be dynamic. So what is the solution for that? Okay. So let me tell you a solution for that. First and foremost thing, we will create this state and sales को हम dynamic बनाते हैं. Okay. So if we go to formula, under name manager, we will create one name. We will create sales, and in sales I will select first thing and I will press hash mark. Hash mark मतलब sales का पूरा select हो जाएगा यहाँ पे. It will be dynamic. If I go to edit option now, then you can see over here this dot line my database, it is dynamic. Second new I will create state. I will go to first state Karnataka and I will press hash mark over here and press OK. For state here you can see I have make it dynamic. So for state and for sales I have created new names which are dynamic. Now I will close. After that I will go to the home page. I will select the chart and I will go to format chart or chart design. After going to chart design, there is one option known as select data. Under select data, there is sales. Okay. So for sales, I will go to edit, and after exclamatory mark, I will just erase everything after exclamatory mark and I will just type sales. That's it. Now I remember one thing. मैंने सेल्स को डायनामिक बना दिया था, so I will just मैंने नाम भी दे दिया था that it will be sales which is dynamic. I will just type sales and press OK. And for state also I will delete everything up after exclamatory mark and I will just select state and I will press OK and I will just press OK. Now you can see everything is dynamic. See how dynamic my chart is. You name the thing, everything will be dynamic. Everyone hit comment and let me know how wonderful you think this feature is dynamic. I will repeat the whole thing again. I will repeat the whole thing again. This is known as dynamic charts. Okay, repeating again. I will repeat the whole thing again. I will give filter function. Okay, filter function will be array. Array means what do I need? I need state, comma, include my region that should be equal to east. After that, I will use X lookup. X lookup will be lookup value. Lookup value will be Nagaland. I will use hash mark over here because I want to make it dynamic. Comma, lookup array. Lookup array will be states, comma, return array. Return array will be sales. Lookup array will be state and return array will be sales. Now the both are dynamic. Now you can see both the things are dynamic over here. I can use all dynamic functions. After using these all dynamic functions, I have to go to formulas. Under name manager, I will first delete these and I will create a new one. New one, state. I will first select first state and then I will make it dynamic by pressing hash mark, comma. Second one, sales. I will select the first thing and I will press hash mark, enter, and I will just close. Now I will create a chart. Alt F1 is the shortcut to create a chart. Alt F1. Here you can see I've created a chart. Now to make my chart dynamic, I will go to for design chart and I will select data, and in sales I will change the path after exclamatory mark. I will just select sales, and in state also I will change everything after exclamatory mark and I will select state and I will press OK. Now whatever I will select, all will be dynamic. There you can see everything will be dynamic. This is very complex, like many of the Excel faculties also who come to learn, okay, they also don't understand. So please don't panic yourself. It will take time. मुझे भी बहुत time लगा था, to be very frank, समझने के लिए. Everything is dynamic over here. Hash mark will work. You have to create hash mark which is related to 365 function. Please practice it again. First time mistakes होते हैं बहुत सारे. डोंट वरी, इसके बाद सेम चार्ट बनाने के लिए एक इजी टेक्निक भी है. आई विल टेक दिस आल्सो. Slicer dashboard. We can create a slicer dashboard also. Okay. Same thing. I will repeat. Same thing और easy way में कैसे कर सकते हैं. Those who are not having 365 also, for them also it is wonderful. Okay. Same thing. If you want to go through slicer option. Okay. I will just insert pivot of this. After inserting pivot, I can select. यहाँ पे चार्ट किसका बनाया था, रीजन एंड सेल्स, राइट. आई कैन सिलेक्ट रीजन एंड सेल्स. वैल्यूज में करो या कहाँ पे भी करो. ओके. I can insert slicer. Sorry, instead of region, let me select state. And I will, in pivot table analysis, I will insert slicer of region. I will insert slicer of region and I will make it as a button. मैं columns बढ़ाता हूँ इसके and I will maximize it. Again, I will go to pivot table analysis and I will create a pivot chart. Now I will just select the thing over here. I will whatever I want, I can just press the button and here it is dynamic. Central, east, north, south, west. Very easy to understand. This is, I know this is very easy to understand. You can do it in a very quick way. This is known as pivot slicers. Pivot slicers you can use. Very powerful function. I will repeat it again. Pivot slicers. First, we have selected the pivot. Under pivot, we have selected state and sales. Then we will go to pivot table analysis. We will insert a slicer of region. That's it. After region, you can just expand it, your region into columns also. Why 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Instead of rows, we will go to columns. We will minimize. After that, you can go to pivot table analysis and you can insert pivot chart. You can just press enter. After that, you can see as soon as you change the button, you can see it is dynamic. East, west, north, south. This is very easy to understand. Amit ji, I am not aware about math में available है कि नहीं. I am not sure about this. Everyone, please try right now. For regions to put it horizontally, you have to go to slicer option, and then you can from column 0 to you can change the column to 5. You can change the column to 5. After inserting slicer, here will be 0. Instead of 0, you will have to change it to 5 under slicer option. Okay, so everyone on screen right now. The next option I will be taking about informative charts. Okay, what does informative chart means? Okay, here you can see as soon as I have pressed 1000, यहाँ पे जो highest है, it is getting green color. Okay, instead of I will just reduce of Saturday sales amount. I will reduce to 100. Here you can see 700 was at Wednesday. So as soon as my highest value changes, then my the stick color will also get changed. It will change to green color. Okay. Now I want to make Thursday highest 1000. Here you can see I can make highest to Thursday also by taking it to 1000. This is something known as informative charts. How wonderful it looks. See, man, the normal charts which you learn and the informative charts which you learn, it is so different and so amazing. This is something which you should know about Excel, the advanced level of Excel. I will create a new sheet right now and let me show you one by one how to make informative charts. I know आज का बहुत heavy होने वाला है आप लोगों के लिए. This is something which is very advanced level. Don't have to panic. Please don't get irritated. It will take time for you all to understand. Just that you can imagine what level of functions and features can be done through Excel. I will give max formula. After giving max formula, I will just copy and paste. After giving max formula, I will give if option. If my Monday sales is equal to maximum, then please show me Monday sales, otherwise 0. ओके, जो मैक्सिमम सेल है वो यहाँ पे दिखेगा, अदरवाइज ऑल विल बी 0. This is the maximum formula I have given. Now I will insert chart. To insert chart, shortcut is Alt F1. Alt F1 is shortcut to insert chart. Okay, Here you can see my chart has been inserted. I can format data series also. I can reduce the gap between each cell. After that, I can series overlap also we can use. Series overlap, I will do 100% series overlap. Repeating again, यहाँ पे right click करना है and format data series करना है. Series overlap, you can put 100% series overlap. And gap width you can keep at some minimum level. Okay, क्योंकि ये दोनों series overlap हो जाएंगे automatically. That's it. After that you can see यहाँ पे 500 मैंने जो हाईएस्ट है उसका कलर भी चेंज हो रहा है, ऑरेंज कलर हो रहा है. 1000 यहाँ पे कलर चेंज हो रहा है. यहाँ पे मुझे 1200 चाहिए, यहाँ पे कलर चेंज हो रहा है. Here you can see the level of informative charts. These are not normal charts, these are informative charts. You can remove grid lines also. I can remove this sales max also. If I want to remove this amount, then I can remove amount also by just deleting. Here you can see informative charts. After this, if you want to change the shape also, you can insert a new shape of illustrations. Shapes, you can change the shape also. Let me show you with triangle. I will just copy and paste triangle over here and इसको orange color करता हूँ मैं. Shape format, shape fill, yellow color करता हूँ and outline also yellow. Control C and Control V. Here you can see. This is something known as informative charts. As soon as I change the color, the highest value, it will change. मैं यहाँ पे add data labels भी कर सकता हूँ. The highest value 1000. Here you can see this. Very wonderful, very powerful function. Everyone hit comment right now and let me know how you think informative charts are. Getting wonderful comments, magic, masterpiece, beautiful. Thank you for all your love. Is something which is known as informative charts. Everyone, please try right now. If you want me to repeat the formula for maximum. I will repeat the formula also. Max, select the whole number. After selecting the whole number, I'll press if my sales is equal to max. Sales is equal to max. Then sales double zero. I will just copy and paste, and here it is. Series overlap. Right click and go to format data series. Here you have to keep series overlap as 100%. मैं कम करूंगा तो पास में आएगा. Here we have to keep series overlap as 100%. This is something known as informative charts. Can I proceed to next one? Dynamic array is something which changes dynamically. Okay, when your data is into format as table. Everyone on screen with me right now with 110% attention over here. यहाँ पे मैंने यहाँ पे फिल्टर वाला ऑप्शन लगाया था. ओके, यहाँ पे देखो फिल्टर वाला ऑप्शन कितना था. Here you can see I have given filter option over here which is dynamic. As soon as this is something which is into format as table. मैंने ये format as table किया था. Okay, again repeating for next time sir, and teach others also what does format as table mean. If I shift this into table, see my dynamic array functions will also change. Here you can see my dynamic array functions also change. I control Z click करता हूँ and see as soon as I join this table, see my dynamic array function. This is something which is known as spilling of data. Okay, this is something which is known as spilling of data. Everyone can repeat this. Those who are using Excel 365, you can just join the data and there will be spilling of data. This is something known as spilling of data. Dynamic it is. ये जो blue color line है, that is spilling, and the formula is only on the first row or column. बाकी सब without formula it is. This is something which is known as a spilling of data. Okay, everyone on screen right now, I will show you how unique and distinct function are is done in dynamic array functions. Okay, unique and distinct function. You can see this table. Okay, ये जो yellow color किए हैं, that are repeated ones. The one which I have colored with yellow one, that are repeated ones. Okay, and this is also repeated for 2 times, and these are repeated for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. Okay, what if I want only unique data? Okay, what if I data? I will select the whole array. Comma, I want unique as rows, so I will select. Okay, am I audible right now? Please let me know, am I audible right now? Okay. So I will repeat again the unique function. Unique array will be the whole chart, comma. I want as rows, so I will create false, comma. I want that appears only exactly once, so I will press 2. There, here you can see. Here Nagaland and Haryana will not appear only because I want only unique items. These are only unique items. I will repeat it again. If you want distinct values are something which will come that are repeated also. Okay. Unique array will be the whole thing, comma. I want as rows, comma. Return every distinct item. I want every distinct item. मुझे नागालैंड एक बार तो चाहिए, although it is repeated, I want only once. Haryana also I want only once. Here you can see Nagaland and Haryana will also come. Nagaland and Haryana will also come over here. आप देख सकते हो यहाँ नागालैंड एंड हरियाणा. मैं इसको येलो कलर करता हूँ. It will come for once. It will not be repeated, but it will come for once. समझो मैं यहाँ पे चेंज करता हूँ, 10,000 करता हूँ, तो मैंने यहाँ पे नागालैंड भले था लेकिन मैंने अमाउंट चेंज किया तो सी वन मोर यहाँ पे ऐड हो गया. I will press Control Z and here you can see unique and distinct. Unique means those states which are repeated that will not come only. In distinct it will come, but only it will come once. Request you to please repeat You can get the sum also of distinct value, and you can get the sum of unique value also. So the next feature, next function which I will be taking now is something which is sort by. If you want to sort two criteria at one shot, then also we can do. Here you can see we have sorted region and sales, both the thing. Okay. Suppose I want to sort the table in such a way that there are two criteria. Okay. I have sort my regions from my region. I have sorted my region which is ascending order. Okay, so my regions will come over here in ascending order, and my sales I have sorted into descending order. I will show you by sort by option. Array will be the whole thing, comma. I want to sort by what? First array will be my region. I want to sort it by region, comma. Ascending on descending, I want ascending, that is one, comma. My sales, comma. Ascending or descending, I want -1, that is descending. Here you can see I have sorted. Let me show you how the sorting has been done. My region, okay, my region. Here you can see it is alphabetically sorted. Okay, ascending to descending, it is sorted. C, after that E, N, S, and then last W. Now in East also there were total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 states, but we have given second condition that I want, the second condition was sales amount, that sales amount should be into descending order. So descending means West Bengal should be highest. West Bengal was 55,000. After that Manipur was 40,000. After that Tripura was 30,000. After that Mizoram was 20,000, and last was Nagaland. It was into descending order. Here you can see we have given two conditions to sort my data. One will be my region, that should be ascending order, and my amount, that should be descending order. Request you please try right now. I will just stop my screen sharing for 2 minutes. Okay. I will just send you a feedback form. I've just stopped my screen sharing for 2 minutes, preparing a feedback form for you all. Request you to please wait for a minute. Okay, I've shared my feedback into the WhatsApp group. And I have shared the feedback into the question tabs also. व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में मैंने फीडबैक शेयर किया है. ओके. Before going to the last feature, very wonderful, and it is something which is about artificial intelligence. Okay, AI. We are going to talk about one of the best feature. We are going to the last feature of the full workshop. Before that, I would request you all to please spare your 2 minutes and give me feedback right now. For faculties, feedback is very much important. I have shared the feedback link on the WhatsApp group. Please spare 2 minute time. It will hardly take 1 minute to give feedback and give your feedback right now. It will hardly take a minute for you all to give feedback. Getting wonderful feedbacks. Request you to please give your feedback. I will wait for a minute. Come on, सब लोग feedback दो यार. Only received 8 feedback till now. Feedback is very much important for a faculty. I will wait for a minute. Last feature, very important feature. Getting wonderful feedback. Thank you for all of your love. I will wait for last 1 minute. Request you to please give feedback before I jump to the last feature. Very important feature. It is something related to artificial intelligence of Excel. Very wonderful feature. Wonderful feedback. I'm amazed to get so wonderful feedback. Very amazing. Very amazing. Okay. So everyone on screen right now, जिसका feedback देना बाकी है, uh, only 10 minutes you have to bear with me the whole workshop last 10 minutes, but trust me, this last 10 minutes will be the amazing 10 minutes. Will आप लोग के फ्रेंड्स को जरूर बोलोगे कि हमने ये सीखा था. Ideas is something which is related. I will start my camera also. Okay. Ideas is something which is some related to artificial intelligence. Okay, Excel is using some artificial intelligence into this. When you want to analyze something, you want to analyze your data, Excel will automatically recommend you charts. Okay, I will this ideas function is only available in Excel 365. Everyone on screen with me right now with 110% attention over here. Here you can see, and on the home tab, in the home tab there is an option known as data analysis. Data analysis is the option available on the home tab. यहाँ पे आप लोग देख सकते हो in the home tab. If I keep my cursor on data analysis, Excel, see Excel, what Excel is telling you, discover more about your data. Data analysis looks for patterns in your data that it can be used to create intelligent, personalized suggestions. Wonderful. देखते हैं चलो मैं पूरा डेटा सिलेक्ट करता हूँ. This is a normal purchase register of a very big company. Okay, I will select the whole data and I will just click data analysis. As soon as I click data analysis, here you can see Excel is just analyzing my data, and see what wonderfully Excel is giving me various charts, pivot tables, analysis and everything automatically मेरा data analyze किया data Excel ने. And you can create any pivot table, anything like see tax and sales by tax period. If you want your sales by tax period, you can insert a pivot table. Okay, if you want tax grouping, then you can insert pivot table. If you want something more automatically Excel is showing you suggestions. Okay, so if I want to ask any question, okay, document number with top sales, document number with top sales. If I ask this question to Excel, see Excel is giving me invoice number 1857 with sales of 33,90,000. I will insert this. Okay, invoice number 1857 with 33,90,000. To confirm this, let me show you. Okay, मैं sales को filter लगाता हूँ, largest to smallest. Here you can see 33 lakh 90, supplier number 1857, invoice number 1857. Wonderful, wonderful. मैंने यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन पूछा, basis my question Excel automatically told me the suggestion that it is invoice number 1857 with lowest sales. Also we can ask lowest sales, it is invoice number 1792, negative sales. It can be credit note or something negative. Here you can see wonderfully whatever question we ask to Excel is a very smart and it is using artificial intelligence over here. Everyone hit comment right now and let me know how wonderful the ideas function is. Super. This is one step ahead by Gayatri Rao. Wonderful, great tool, excellent. This is one step ahead. Everyone else, yes, this is one step ahead. Excellent, trend changing. Wonderful comments, wonderful. This is something which you should learn about Excel. This is something you should know about Excel, and this is something Excel is all about, I would say. By Yogesh, excellent. Ranga, wonderful. Very nice comments I'm getting, very nice comments. This is something, Excel is thinking all about. It is all one step ahead. By Seema, very useful, wonderful. By Yogesh, excellent. Rahul, one step ahead. Now I'm sure everyone must be thinking after this feature, everyone must be thinking कि नहीं अभी मुझे 365 लेना ही है. I'm sure you all must be thinking the same thing right now. Now I want to buy Excel 365, Office 365. To start with home you can buy and then you can buy business also. Business is something expensive. Business 365. before leaving, one more last feature I want to show you. Before leaving, one more last feature I want to show you. Sharing of workbook is something when you are into Excel 365. Okay, when you purchase a home license. Okay, so you can see this thing, Microsoft 365 personal. Okay, 5299 plus GST. You can 5300. It is available for 6 subscription मिलेंगे. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Every subscription you will get ID and password for every subscription. Okay, 883. And every subscription you will get uh, free for 6 PC. Okay, 6 PC means 883 divided by 6. It will cost you only 147 per PC. So a group of 5 people can join together and can purchase one license of Microsoft 365 family subscription, and then they can plan in such a way. I have done like this only. I have been sharing with another chartered accountants who are using this also. You can plan in such a way कि एक दूसरों का everyone will get separate ID and password, not टू पीसी सब्सक्रिप्शन 2 का डेटा 1 से शेयर नहीं होगा, 2 का 3 से भी शेयर नहीं होगा, but under one there will be 6 PCs free of cost you can install, and per PC if you can see it cost you only 147 per year, which is less than a single movie ticket. You can plan in such a way, and between these 6 PC all data can be shared. Okay, between these 6 PC all data can be shared. Once you can edit, and you can also work on same Excel sheet at the same time at 2 different location also. Here you can see I these are the sheets which are saved in my OneDrive. Okay, any my office staff who is sitting in Mumbai and I'm sitting in Pune, they have saved anything. I can be able to see the same thing modified one. 6 minutes ago they have modified over here. I can see yesterday it was modified. Whenever it was modified, I can see and I can edit also. This is a very wonderful thing you can plan in such a way. Cost is for per PC for a year, not for a month. It was for a year. 147 is for a year. So a group of 5 people, 6 people, people can join together. Anyone who wants to buy can discuss in our group also. They can join together, and you by yourself only you buy. I am not an agent or something of Microsoft, so please don't ask me how to do subscription and all. You all manage on yourself, and you can plan yourself, and you can buy all together. This is just uh, a planning understanding which I can give you all. You all 6 people can plan together to buy one subscription will give you 6 ID and passwords. 6 ID and passwords are separately for each other. Okay, and then you can plan in such a way that 5200 divided by 6, everyone has a contribution of 950 rupees. All 5 people can give all 950 rupees to one person, and he can buy on his account, and then you will get all 6 subscription, and you all can plan. Then every subscription will get 6 PC for free. Means in short, you will get 30 PCs, 30 subscriptions per registration. It was wonderful you all to interact with each other. Once again, I would like to thank you very much. Thank you for your feedback. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your attention. If in case you have any queries or anything, please note down my number. 956118844 is my number. 956118844. Do call me anytime. And also I'm open for corporate trainings. If there are any corporate trainings, any trainings in any company, at your firm or anything, please let me know. You can call me anytime. Once again, thank you very much. Thanks for the whole 7 days. All the best.